This video waited for so long, and this tutorial just must be on my channel because this makeup is so good for summer. I started with this beautiful pastel yellow all over my lid, and then we will take this glittery orange color for our lid. Apply even more on outer corner of your eye. And this sparkling shadow comes to inner corner. We also apply it to under eye area, and then we also use the same color that we used for our under eye, and we blend them really well. Then I'm drawing my eyeliner. I always look myself into the eyes. We will add beautiful blending by applying this eyeshadow, and it will take this look to another level because when you have like graphic liner, it's one thing, but a little bit of smoky just had to be there. We will also apply a little bit of darker eyeshadow to our last third of our under eye area, and then we'll use glitter for this spicy icy look. And yeah, that's all for eyes. I'll show you how I do my face because I add a little bit of lifting effect. I don't really like heavy makeup for summer, so little thin foundation layer and concealer that comes to these points just to make it really lifted. Just remember to blend everything, and this step will help you with your eyeliner too. And I'm using this beautiful little puffy thing. If you know how it's called, please let me know because I really want to know that. And a little bit of contouring. I try not to contour my nose really heavy because, like it looks good on your photos, on your videos, but when you come to real life, this is not what you want. And a little bit of blush. I'm not a blushy blush girl, but lately I love blush. Final steps, and I really hope you like this one because I do this makeup quite a lot in different colors. It was fast. I love you, see you soon, and remember that you're already beautiful.